Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open Quick Sampler in Logic Pro. Let's get straight into it. So this is the standard modern way to initiate a sample workflow. So what we are going to do is find an audio file in your Mac Finder, Apple Loops browser, or existing region in your project timeline. So what we are going to do is head over here to the bottom left corner where you see this uh, left icon. Uh, Now what you're going to do is you will see here some Logic Pro sounds. So let's say we will select loops. Now here you will select and find what would you like to have. So let's, for example, take this one. And now what we are going to do is just press and drag here to instrument track like so, and we have it now right here in our timeline. Basically now we just need to put it in voice sound, and yeah, it's good to go. You can also return, and if you select here this icon right at the bottom right corner, you can always uh, adjust this alarm synthesis riser, which we put in our timeline. And this is basically it, how we can open Quick Sampler in Logic Pro. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.